Private school teachers will soon establish an Apex Sacco to help them resolve their issue of accessing the 22 billion shillings that was given to them by President Museveni last year during the COVID-19 lockdown. The decision followed a meeting between the Education Ministry and teachers from private schools on Friday at Kololo SS, whereas teachers in the private education institutions had formed a number of circles to receive this money. The Education Ministry decided that there was need to monitor them through an Apex Sacco as there were too many.
There are several associations in place, there are several trade unions in place, but what is missing is an Apex cooperative union. A cooperative union that has a mandate to handle teachers' money.
With the establishment of an Apex Sacco, government can channel the money to all the teachers countrywide.
Once that cooperative union is registered, then the government will be able to put the money that was promised to teachers into the coffers of that cooperative union. And the individual teacher in his or her respective schools will then be able to apply for a loan through their local circles to that cooperative union.
But Mwaula wants this process to be fast-tracked as there are still many teachers who remain unemployed with the partial resumption of learning.
A bigger proportion of teachers are still at large. They are lacking, they are in dire need, they are really not having any livelihood. Those people need expeditious response to their cries.
Philbert Baguma, one of the overseers of government teachers Mwalimu Sacco, has urged his counterparts to ensure that these funds are not mismanaged.
To avoid similar instances, this is why they had invited them, 1, to get feedback, 2, to agree on the mechanism to follow so that the intended beneficiaries can actually access this fund at a later stage.
But the Ministry of Education says they are confident that these funds will be delivered to those earmarked to get them.
But the question has always been who benefits, how does it reach them, who will be the fund manager, and all those details.
Senide has also revealed that the leadership of the Apex Sacco will be used to monitor the well-being of teachers in private education institutions.
Some of these teachers have so many problems. But unfortunately, where do they address their challenges? So because of this lack of a structure, it has been very difficult to really work with and through them.
Around 350,000 teachers in private schools are expected to benefit from these funds. Joyce Nakato, NTV Weekend Edition.